Hi and welcome to our guide to mobile phone security. The good news is that mobile phone security is becoming more and more sophisticated as devices evolve each year. Despite this, there's still the ongoing threat of hackers, viruses, fraud and identity theft that we need to be wary of. And let's face it, a device's security system can only be as good as it can be if it's being used properly. On that note, we're here to give you some excellent hints and tips on how to keep your phone safe and secure. So where do you start? Well, that's easy. Most devices have a secure lock screen that can only be accessed through a password, fingerprint scanner, iris scanner, or Face ID recognition. So make sure you enable this function when setting up your device, or if you've had your phone a while, it's never too late. Without some kind of security on your phone, fraudsters, hackers and thieves have direct access to lots of your personal information. If you are really worried, you can now get antivirus software for your phone, and for Android users, this is advisable as you're a lot more vulnerable than Apple users. However, for Apple users, it's better to be safe than sorry. Apple and Android software updates often tackle security issues with your phone. It's a very important and simple way to protect yourself. Always ensure you update the software on your phone. Phones these days have some very nifty tricks up their sleeves in terms of what to do if you suspect your phone may be lost or stolen. Apple has the Find My Phone app that can locate your phone, and most Android phones have the ability to locate, ring, lock and erase your phone remotely from Android Device Manager. If you do locate your phone and are worried it's been stolen, please stay safe, pass on information to the police rather than tackle it yourself. We hope this guide to security has helped you understand how to stay safe using your phone. You can find out more about all of these phones at giffgaff.com/mobile phones.